Welcome back to our one-tank trip to the river parishes. Did you know that this area is home to the Andouille Trail? It was created because St. John, St. James, and St. Charles parishes have more than 30 eateries that serve the delicious specialty meat. Today, we're hitting the Andouille Trail and taking you to two spots. The first one is in Vacherie. Let's go. If you ever thought about making andouille from scratch, then you're in luck. Today, I'm showing you an authentic cooking experience you can only find right here in St. James Parish. I have made it to Spuddy's Cajun Foods, and guess what? Joining me now for a fun conversation is the owner, ladies and gentlemen. Please help me welcome Mr. Spuddy Vacherie. Hello, my good sir.
How are you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
All right.
Okay, I have interviewed this man before. We boiled crawfish together, but now I'm in his house today. I am so excited to be making some sausage with you today, but I gotta ask you first, since you're a part of the Andouille Trail, what would you say is the difference, Spuddy, between andouille and smoked sausage?
Okay, good question. Because a lot of people come and say, I want some andouille sausage. And it's not sausage. It's a unique product. It's a product all on its own. So andouille beef is chopped. It's chopped in chunks about big like your thumb.
I'm excited to make some andouille with you today. We are doing that because a part of the Cajun cooking experience, one way you can enjoy it, everybody, is through getting a hands-on experience. So we've got some great meat here. What do we have here, and what do we put in here?
I make mine with the cushion meat, or they call this a picnic heart. Nice little heart shape. So look at the fat content. A lot of marble, but not a lot of exterior fat.
I love it. And of course, we have to have seasoning, everybody. You have a seasoning mix here. What am I putting in here?
So this right here is gonna be real simple, clean. Salt, red pepper, and what's it called? Nitrite. It's a preservative to
pink
stop
stuff.
botulism. So we have to call it pink salt. Kind of sprinkle it all over.
Come on.
Show it a little loving. Yeah, you go.
There you go. All right.
All right.
And then, of course, due to the magic of television, we've already pre-prepared some. I'm going to mix this, but now we're going to move over
You know
to
what
the
they call
stuffer.
this?
What do we call this?
Getting down and dirty.
Down and dirty. Well, look, I'm ready to get down and dirty and actually stuff the sausage.
Press the down button.
Okay, here we go.
Let's let it roll.
Oh, look at me, everybody. I'm trying.
All right.
Everybody, what I love the most about this place is not only are you making the sausage, we are cooking with it when you come out to Spuddy's Cajun cooking experience. Let's head over and make something using this sausage.
So we got some onions smothered now. Now we're gonna throw those peppers in. See, I like to use all my colors.
I love it. We are making sauce pecan.
Sauce pecan.
I love it. Okay, the andouille we just made. I'm about to add it into here.
There you go.
Please, Spuddy, tell us a little bit about sauce pecan. What does it mean?
So sauce pecan, it goes way back. I found articles back in 1898. They were selling hot sauce. Hot sauce was sauce pecan. So sauce pecan means hot, picky. So not burning.
Come
just
on.
the flavor.
As you all can see, not only are you going to get a fun hands-on experience, you're going to get some history as well. And we got all the flavors in here. We got celery. We got 4 different types of pepper in here. The andouille, which we made together. And of course, due to the magic of television, we have a finished product over here. So you put some chicken in there. It looks so good. And what's cool is that not only do you have the hands-on experience, but people, if you want to just come watch this awesome man cook, he has that opportunity as well. I want to thank you so much for learning and helping me learn how to make this. This is so much fun. Everybody check him out for sure. I just made sausage. So much fun. Now, after you visit Spuddy's, you have to come over to St. John Parish to check out Wayne Jacobs Smokehouse. This restaurant has been around for more than 70 years, so they have to be doing something right, right? Well, the folks keep coming back to this LaPlace restaurant for their andouille sausage, their tasso, their hog head cheese, and so much more. Well, guess what, everybody? It's time for me to try it. Join me now for a look at their fabulous menu is the owner of Wayne Jacobs Smokehouse. Please help me welcome Jared Zarang. Hello, my good good, sir?
Hey, how are you? Thanks for coming out.
I'm doing good. Thanks for having us. I have interviewed you before.
Yeah.
I already know the food is good, but we are out here in LaPlace today to check out some more of your great options. First of all, I want to say congratulations. That's amazing. 72 years exactly this amazing smokehouse has been open. I want to talk a little bit more about your concept because I was reading that you all really make a lot of stuff.
We do. We make everything from smoked meats to dry mixes to, kits for people to make stuff at home.
Yeah.
And we do ready to go food, and we also have a full restaurant.
It's amazing, and take a look at this array of food, everybody. You know I'm ready to eat. First, since we're talking about the Andouille Trail, let's start with your andouille chips. How do you describe these? I've never heard of these before.
Yeah, that's our thinly sliced andouille that we fry. It goes great with Creole mustard. It's a nice local.
It's crispy.
Yes.
We love to see it. I gotta try it with this Creole mustard
and
too.
it's keto.
It's keto friendly?
Yes. No fillers, no fillers.
I love it so much. Now, over here we have a soup. Tell me about this one.
That's a smoked sausage and cabbage soup. That's great for a cold day like today. Good alternative to gumbo.
And this is something you came up with.
Yeah, I wanted to have some, hearty alternative to gumbo for cold weather.
It is delicious.
Yeah.
Absolutely delicious. I love beef jerky. You have jerky as well. Tell me a little bit about your jerky.
So we have beef jerky, and then we have tasso jerky.
Oh, what would you say is the difference? Which one should I try first?
So the tasso is pork, and it's also very spicy. So
That's smoke.
Yeah.
Delicious.
That's smoked for about 6 to 8 hours.
Amazing, and I can taste the spices coming. Okay,
yeah.
I love it so
Yeah.
much. We have hog head cheese. Come on,
This is a smoked hog head cheese, smoked and spicy.
Amazing.
So, yeah, try with our homemade hot sauce.
Come on, and you know what also people need to try? Your cookbook. Congratulations
Yeah.
on your cookbook.
Thank
It's
you
called
so much.
Southern and Smoked. I looked through it, everybody. It's so interesting because all of the recipes are designed by season?
Yes.
Tell me about that.
So I wanted people to be able to eat what was in season, and I wanted them to know the traditions of why we eat things when we eat them. And because food is always best fresh. So
I completely agree.
That's why I wanted to, show people what we eat and why we eat them.
I love it so much, and you can get it, of course, right here at Wayne Jacobs Smokehouse. You can also get fresh honey. They have beehives in the back. You can get fresh eggs as well as seasonings and so much more. Jared, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for coming
The food
out.
is great. The hog head cheese, I just ate it, and that hot sauce is kicking. All right, look, everybody, Wayne Jacobs Smokehouse is located right here in LaPlace, and you can find out more information about this place, Spuddy's, and the Andouille Trail as a whole by visiting LARiverParishes.com. You can also follow the Tourist Commission on social media or give them a call at the number on your screen. All of this information is also on the Louisiana Office of Tourism website, which is louisianatravel.com.